Rated M for mature.
I need to tell you something.
What is it?
Where are you when we ever fucking need you?
I'm not saying it's fair, but people are scared of you.
You have no idea what's going on, do you?
The Crooked Man declared war against us last night. But now I see this war has been going on for years. Your job is to keep Feybltauun safe.
Sheriff, I see you made it here in one piece.
This is about those girls, and it'll always be about those girls.
You're too late, Bigby. They won't bring back Lily or Faye.
Tell me what you did!
Not this way.
What have you done?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.